best gift for me on birthday, please keep your own mind, your own heart more compassionate, more sort of spirit of seriously or genuinely sense of concern of others' well-being.
Only the affection of a mother allows a child to survive. Only the baby's affection for her mother drives her to feed from her breast. This shows that we are born into compassion and sustained by it. So, our essential nature is to be compassionate.
If we cultivate respect for others and our motivation is sincere, if we develop a genuine sense of concern for others' well-being, then all our actions will be positive.
Remember that the best relationship is
the one in which your love for each other exceeds the need for each other.
In the practice of tolerance, one's enemy is the greatest teacher.
If you live your life honestly and truthfully, you'll be open and transparent, which leads to trust, and trust leads to friendship.
as far as ignorance is concerned, not just Buddhism, every religion recognizes it as a source of suffering.
No matter how strong we may feel, our survival depends on others.
My religion is very simple. My religion is kindness.
Human rights are of universal interest because it is the inherent nature of all human beings to yearn for freedom, equality, and dignity, and they have the right to achieve it.
To me, it is clear. A genuine sense of responsibility can only result if we develop compassion. Only a spontaneous feeling of empathy for others can really motivate us to act on their behalf.